Meaning of Gatwick.
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 Gatwick. Gatwick is a place name that refers to an area in the south of London, England. Specifically, Gatwick is the name of a village located in the Crawley district of West Sussex. The area is perhaps best known for its international airport, London Gatwick Airport, which is the second busiest airport in the UK and handles tens of millions of passengers every year. The name Gatwick may have originated from an Old English word for a goat farm, suggesting that the area was once used for agriculture or animal husbandry.